and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. We have a really exciting week because we're going to be drawing dinosaurs all week with all of our kids. And so with my 4-year-old, we are going to be drawing an easy, cute T-Rex, yeah. And how come we're drawing dinosaurs this week? Is it because my book just came out? Did my book just get printed?
Yeah!
Let me tell you a little bit more about the book. Here are Hazel and Leo, and the title is The Ancient Redwoods. They're on a hike with their family in the redwood forest, and they imagine up some incredible dinosaurs that you see here. It's a really fun book to read to your kids, and I think you and your kids will love the illustrations and the adventuresome story. So, if you're interested, check out the link in the description below.
The T-Rexes that I drew in the book are more realistic, and I'll do a more realistic T-Rex with my 11-year-old in a video soon. But today I'm gonna do an easy T-Rex with my 4-year-old. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And if you love dinosaurs as much as my kids do, I think you'll love my book, so go check it out. Should we get started?
Yeah!
Maybe we should turn our papers this way so that we have room for the tail. Is that a good idea?
Yeah!
Okay, so right here in the middle of your paper, you want to draw a little skinny rainbow. And then you're gonna draw another rainbow inside of it off to the side.
I'm going to do it.
And then one more skinny rainbow right around it.
Oh, look at the
Maybe you should draw another rainbow outside of that, a little bigger. There you go, perfect.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna color in the pupil part, which you've already done. And I'm just gonna leave that little highlight there. Okay, now can you do the little cheek thing right here? This is like a little cute. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna draw a little dimple down here, like this. Cute. And then from that dimple, we're gonna draw the top of the mouth. And so it makes a line. And then we're gonna diagonal up a little bit, which she already did. And then we're gonna do the front of the T-Rex's nose, like that. Okay.
Right here?
So straight up. Up. No, that's diagonal. Go up. Good. And then you
It's
come.
like a whale.
Okay, come back a little bit like that, like you already did. And then you're gonna curve up above the eye. And then you're gonna make kind of a C shape. No, not quite a C shape. The back of the head, like
It's like a
that.
whale.
So there's the head and the nose. Okay, now should we do the bottom part of the mouth? Like this? Because he's smiling.
Ah.
And then it curves back in. And then should we draw the teeth?
Yes.
Let's draw the teeth. So little triangles.
Big triangle. Okay.
I'm gonna have the teeth go all the way to the end here. Oh my cuteness, I love it.
He's happy with his teeth.
I love your teeth. I'm happy with your teeth. Mine's gonna have a little tongue back here.
Not me.
That's fine. And then a nostril right here. Cool. And now we're gonna do a little line
But, Mom.
under the
Wait.
teeth. Love you. So a little diagonal line this way,
Ah.
and then it's just like this back.
It's like a bumpy white window.
Yeah, like bumps, and then it goes back up, and then it goes back. Cool. Now the neck makes kind of a backward C shape. And then it's gonna have a smaller body than its head. Like this is kind of like a cartoon one. And so here's
I'm gonna make it
the
bigger.
C shape.
I'm gonna make it
And then we're gonna make a rainbow
I'm making it bigger.
for the tail.
Whoa, that's big.
Yeah, a nice big tail. Can you do a tail?
I did it.
Oh, I love it. Cute
I
tail.
did it.
Hey, I'm loving your dinosaurs so much. Now we need to do, let's do the front part of his neck.
What's
So-
the neck called?
This is the neck.
Wait.
Yep. Okay. Okay, can you draw the neck?
Oh, yeah.
So you have to draw a neck coming out of the head. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna draw, whoops, it's okay. It'll come off when you take a bath tomorrow. It's okay. Oh, and you got a hair on your paper.
Oh,
Okay, can we draw the claw now?
yeah.
So we draw a rainbow right there. Perfect.
Is it
Now we draw like a
called
curvy triangle right here. Do you see that curvy triangle I just did? So draw a line up and then back down right there to make a claw. Perfect. Perfect. And then another rainbow right here. And that makes the hand.
Wait.
Wow, good job. And now we're doing 2 lines for the arm. Like that.
Do it.
Mm-hmm.
Do it.
Good. And then the shoulder like that. Oh, here's the belly. It goes behind the hand. So now the belly's coming back. Okay. And then let's draw the knee. So we draw a curved line. So a curved line like that.
Do you have it called?
I don't right now. All right. Thank you. Okay, so I did the knee.
Mine is messed up.
Can you do like
it.
yours is not messed up. Can you do a sideways rainbow? Nope. Okay. Good. And then a diagonal line down, and then a
Is what?
little rainbow. This is his knee. Diagonal line down, and then and then a rainbow. And then we're making another claw. So kind of like 2 rainbows to make a claw. And then the bottom of his foot. And then up, like that. Can you draw the foot going up, like this? And then over, and then back up.
You're teaching me.
Yeah.
Like that.
Uh-huh. And then the last thing is the bum,
Mom, what is the bum called?
like where it connects to the tail.
If I had a bum like that.
Mm-hmm. We all do.
Bum?
Awesome. Okay, are you ready to color?
Mm.
Oh yeah, you gotta do the back of the head, huh?
And now next to the tail.
All right. Okay,
Let's cover.
let's color.
All right, so we're coloring in time lapse, as you can see. And my sweet girl loves rainbow colors, and so she wanted to do all the colors on her dinosaur. And I did mine green. So here's an example you can pause on if you want to look at and color along. And I just wanted to also show one of her other attempts at drawing the dinosaur that I just think is so adorable.
So here's mine,
Okay.
and there's yours. What is your color scheme that you were going for?
Rainbow?
Yeah, she likes rainbow everything, so she made a rainbow dinosaur.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
And you
And mine's-
made the green one.
It's just green.
The,
Yeah.
the teeth are white.
Yeah, very white teeth. He must brush his teeth really good. But anyway, if you love dinosaurs as much as my kids do, go and check out my book. There's a link in the description.
Do they see it this close?
I don't know. You are so cute. Do you think they'll like my book if they read it?
Yes.
Do you like?
Ah!
Whoa! You went down. I saved you.
That was weird.
You fell off.
Yeah, on your chair.
I know. Anyway, go check out the book. And we would love to see how your dinosaur looks. So just tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and I'd love to see how yours looks.
Bye.
Thanks for drawing with us.